carbon and hydrogen. Types of carbon and hydrogen. First, carbon. Primary carbon. Primary और 1 degree carbon. First type, total types of carbon is 4. Primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon and quaternary carbon. Okay. Primary means 1 degree carbon, secondary means 2 degree carbon, tertiary means 3 degree carbon and quaternary means 4 degree carbon. Okay. And now, how will you define means carbon is a primary or secondary or tertiary or quaternary? Now, when carbon attached with one other carbon. When carbon is said to be primary, when carbon attached with the one other carbon. Okay. Secondly, when carbon is attached with two other carbons. And secondary carbon. Attached with 3 other carbons. Boys, copy fast. Fast. Completed this side, completed? Now listen. Hydrogen, types of hydrogen. 3 types of hydrogen. Okay, now primary hydrogen, secondary hydrogen, and tertiary hydrogen. Okay. Primary hydrogen, when hydrogen is said to be primary, when hydrogen attached with the primary carbon, means hydrogen is parasite. Hydrogen is parasite. It depends on other. It depends on host for everything, right? Means degree for hydrogen. It depends on degree of carbon. Second degree hydrogen depends second degree of carbon. Means it depends on degree of carbon. Okay, adjacent carbon. Means attached to hydrogen attached to that carbon. Check the degree of that carbon. That is the degree of hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen is parasite. Hydrogen, halogen, and oxygen. Okay. It will not copy fast. Means what you can do? No, you have no pen. You can check my YouTube channel. You can try. What do you know? Okay. Understood the both? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not? Example. Complete fast. Stays connect, na? In 4 degree hydrogen never possible. 4 degree hydrogen never possible. Why not possible? Because 4 degree 4 valency of carbon occupied. There is no hydrogen, right? That's why it is not possible. Now listen and give the answer. Okay, now understood? And give the answer. Everyone understood both hydrogen, degree of hydrogen and degree of carbon. Now give the answer. This carbon attached to how many other carbons? Huh? One carbon, na? So why are you confused? Huh? One carbon means one, right? This carbon? One other carbon. This carbon? Now this carbon. 4 other carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means now give the degree. Give the degree, no? MBBS degree to this carbon. 1 degree. This carbon? Huh? 1 degree. 1 degree. This carbon? 4 degree. 4 degree, no? 4 degree, very hard in a, it's like in a jail. When someone did crime, na? Jailer use 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree punishment. 4 degree very hard, 3 degree very hard. They are timing as a degree. 4 degree. This carbon degree.
4 degree.
4 degree.
1 degree.
1 degree.
And 2 degree, sir. 2 degree. 2 degree, sir.
How many? Check. What is the step? Carbon check the how many other carbon attached to that carbon.
2 degree sir.
2 degree. This carbon attached with this carbon means 2 degree, right now?
Sir, not understanding.
This carbon.
3 degree sir.
Huh?
Not understanding, sir.
Not understand.
Not
Okay.
understanding.
Again.
Yes.
This carbon attached with how many other carbon?
Two carbon.
How many other carbons?
Two
Three carbon. Sir.
One carbon.
Two carbon.
Means 2 degree. Now this carbon.
3, sir.
How many other carbons?
3 sir.
3 degree.
Okay.
This carbon? This carbon?
1 sir.
One more.
This carbon attached with how many other carbon? Huh? One na? Only this, right? One. And this carbon?
1
Now
sir.
you understood, huh? And this carbon?
1 sir.
1 degree. Now, give the total 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 4 degree carbon. And hydrogen, 1 degree hydrogen, 2 degree hydrogen, 3 degree hydrogen, and 4 degree hydrogen. Now, degree of carbons, any problem? Any problem? No, no. Understood have you? You can find now easily. And hydrogen is what? Parasite. Right now? Hydrogen is parasite. It depends on host. Right now? It depends on host. For this hydrogen, this carbon is host now. Means degree of this carbon will be the degree of this hydrogen. Means how many hydrogens are here? 3. Means total 1 degree hydrogen. Count the total 1 degree hydrogen. And 1 degree carbon 3 hydrogens. Means total 1 degree carbon. Check the hydrogen. 1 degree 15. 3 hydrogens here, right? Primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, and primary hydrogen. First degree hydrogen. Means 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. 1 degree carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 degree carbon. 1. 3 degree carbon. 1. 4 degree. 1. 1 degree hydrogen 15 and 2 degree hydrogen. How many 2 degree hydrogens are there?
30 sir.
Huh? 2 degree hydrogen. 2 degree hydrogen.
2 degree.
2 na? 2.
2 sir.
And 3 degree hydrogen?
1 sir.
1. Only 1. Means hydrogen is parasite. Na? It depends on host. Host degree. Okay. 4 degree.
0 sir.
4 degree is not possible. Right? Write that 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and 4 degree for this. And also see the carbon right now. Carbon, 6 carbon are there here. Okay? Next 3 questions on first.
E material.
carbon. This carbon attached with the how many other carbons?
One, sir.
Get your answer, okay? One other carbon. This degree of this carbon? None. Now check this carbon. How many other carbon? 1, 2, 3. Means 3 degrees. This carbon? 2 degrees. 2 degrees. Is the oxygen, na? Only one carbon. This carbon attached with only this carbon, right now? So 1 degree. Huh? Downside. Okay, I know it. First, the first step. The first floor complete. Now ground floor. This carbon from this carbon. How many? 1 degree. Now give the answer. 1 degree carbon. 1, 2, 3. 2 degree carbon. 1, only one, na? And 3 degree carbon. 3 degree carbon. 3 degree carbon only. Now hydrogen. 1 degree hydrogen. 1 degree hydrogen. 3, 9 and 2. And 3, 6 plus 2. 8, na? 8 hydrogen. 2 degree hydrogen. 2 degree hydrogen. Now, then give the answer. This means give the answer, okay? 2 degree hydrogen. Huh? 3 degree hydrogen. 3 degree hydrogen. 0. Right now, match your answer. Corrected. Lila. Corrected. Pawan Sri. Corrected. Danush. Now, next. This carbon attached with how many other carbon? Huh? 1 means primary. This carbon? Huh? 2, not 3. 2 degree, huh? This carbon? The chlorine not carbon, huh? So sir, here is a C, Nl. Here is a carbon, Nl. Lithium, huh? The not chlorine, the atom, chlorine atom. Means 2 degree. This not carbon, right? This carbon, 2 degree. This carbon, 1 degree. Now 1 degree, how many 1 degree? 1 and 2. 2, 1 degree carbon. So 2 degree, 1, 2, 3. Means 1 degree hydrogen. Here is a 0, 3. 1 degree hydrogen, 3. And 2 degree hydrogen, 0, 1 and 3. Right now, 1 degree carbon, 2. 2 degree carbon, 2. 3 degree carbon, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 degree hydrogen, 3. 2 degree hydrogen, 3. Right now, answer matching. Answer matching. This carbon. Answer. 1 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. Right now, very easy. You can give the answer. Put this question. Here is a carbon, right? In each corner, carbon is present. And if you get the answer, if you find for this carbon, means your answer is correct. Degree of this carbon, 3. And this carbon, 3. Now 1, 2, and also this carbon attached with this carbon, right? Now means 3 degree, right? And first 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 4 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 4 degree, right? 4 degree? Huh? The carbon, huh? The carbon, huh? Not carbon, chlorine. So 3 degree, huh? 3 degree, chlorine. Now, Answer 1 and 2. 2 degree. 3 degree. Right? And in here benzene, in this is not benzene. This is not benzene. Right now? It's the cyclic structure, cyclohexane. Okay? Cyclohexane. Each carbon attached with the 2 other carbon means 2 degree carbons in a 5 position, right? 2 degree, right? This carbon linked with this carbon and this carbon. It's 2 degree. Okay. You can give the answer. What doubt? If in a compound there is only one carbon, 0 degree. No, it is incorrect. In NCERT, if there is a single carbon, no attached with the other carbon, means consider as a primary degree. Okay, no? According to NCERT. Okay. Note. One note. If carbon is not bonded with other carbon, consider it primary carbon. Consider example say okay. Consider it as a primary carbon. Okay. Complete it first. Voice string. Hydrogen, oxygen, halogen, parasite. Okay, now it depends on host. Okay, it depends on adjacent degree, adjacent carbon. Okay.
Sir.
Now. Okay. Now one minute listen, okay? 1 minute on the basis of a structure. Classification of element. In a classification of elements, 2 types. On the basis of a structure and on the basis of it's a functional group. Okay, no? Elements, organic compounds are classified into 2 types. On the basis of a structure and on the basis of functional group. Okay, functional group. First, on the basis of a structure. Open chain on the basis of a structure. First, divided into 2 parts: open chain and closed chain. Okay, open chain, closed chain. Open chain also known as aliphatic compounds. Okay, and closed chain also known as cyclic compounds. Of cycle. Open chain further classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means only sigma bonds are present. The sigma bond present between carbon and carbon. Unsaturated means what? Pi bonds present between the carbon and carbon. At least one pi bond is present. That is called unsaturated. Okay. Closed chain or cyclic chain. Further classified into homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homo means what? What? Dissect the homocyclic. Homo means same and cyclic means cycle. If cycle is made up of same elements, carbon only carbon, means that cycle is called if cycle is made up of carbon and other elements, in a cycle other element is involved in formation of cycle, means compound is known as heterocyclic. Okay, heterocyclic. Homocyclic divided into alicyclic or aromatic. Alicyclic means what? Alicyclic means cycle should be homocyclic, homoalicyclic. Homoalicyclic. In a homoalicyclic compound its cycle should be made of only carbon na, and alicyclic whenever alicyclic will have, means minimum one carbon should be sp3. Minimum one carbon, at least one carbon should be sp3 in a cycle. Okay na? One carbon should be sp3 in a cycle, means that compound will be alicyclic, and it depends on if there is a all carbon, means homoalicyclic. If one atom is different in a cycle, means that is called heteroalicyclic. Means right here minimum one sp3 carbon present should be present in a cycle or compounds. Okay na? Alicyclic means heteroalicyclic compounds, means cycle is made up of carbon along with other atom. In a formation of cycle, involvement of carbon along with other atoms, okay, like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. Okay, and at least one carbon should be sp3. Alicyclic means what? sp3. One carbon should be sp3. This is the concept. Okay, and in a nomenclature, in this point, only this point is important. Alicyclic minimum sp3. In a heterocyclic minimum one sp3 carbon. Minimum one sp3 carbon should be present. Understood everyone? And aromatic. Listen, aromatic. About aromatic. In an aromatic, I will discuss this aromatic, homocyclic aromatic. I will discuss in a GOC1, and heterocyclic aromatic I will discuss in a GOC2. Okay, GOC1 means reaction mechanism. I will discuss about reaction mechanism, and here formation of product, reactant for product. Okay, now react with the catalyst and form product. GOC. Okay. Copy it fast. Okay, now listen. Homocyclic means cycle or ring is made up of only carbon atom. Okay, only carbon atom. Carbon is a hydrogen, right? Carbon. This is the homocyclic or heterocyclic? Huh? Why homocyclic? Because cycle is made up of only carbon. This nitrogen present outside of cycle, no? Out from cycle, right? This nitrogen is not involved in a cycle, forming cycle, right? This nitrogen present out of cycle, right? This is a cycle, right? In a cycle, there is no nitrogen. Benzene, naphthalene, aniline. Naphthalene, you know naphthalene? Huh? Everyone used to in a washroom or in a suitcase. How suitcase also, right now? It's like what the need of naphthalene? Why we? What's the benefit of naphthalene? It's avoid any other insects. The insecticide, naphthalene is insecticide. Or what? has to your wife in a kitchen or washroom under suitcase. Okay? Naturally, that white the box. No?
Sir, when we eat means
Finish.
finish.
Heterocyclic compound means cycle is made up of cycle or ring is made up of carbon and at least one other atoms is known as heterocyclic compounds. It is known as heterocyclic compounds. Like this. This is a cycle, na? Cycle is made. But one nitrogen is involved here, right? In the cycle, nitrogen involved. Okay, na? And this structure name is a very important. Okay, now repeat with me. Is the pyridine. What is the name of structure? Pyridine. Furan. Pyrrole. Furan. Not freon. The furan. Okay. And then iodine. And these four structures are very important. Okay. Like switch on that light. Last switch. If I want this
Sir, deciding answer.
last.
No, sir. Don't need, sir. Sir,
You answer.
Yes, sir. You answer.
You answer.
The loose switch on both the like.
If you give me
This is the pyridine. Okay, na? Pyridine, pyrrole. They are both having nitrogens, right? Huh?
Papa.
Smart to bench, na? On bench. Pyrrole. This one is a furan. This is a iodine. And these four structures are aromatic structures. Okay? Aromatic. Copy it fast.
Yes, sir. Hey, copy fast, yaar.
Print, huh?
Inka.
Print. Yes, sir. Yes. Saturated compounds. Only single bond present between carbon and carbon. Single bond present between carbon and carbon. That is called saturated compounds. Example. This compound is saturated or unsaturated? Huh?
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated, right? Now?
Yes, now.
This compound is unsaturated. Now read. Single bond present between the carbon and carbon. Between carbon and carbon. Right now? Single bond present between the carbon and carbon. Not carbon oxygen. Not carbon nitrogen. Okay? A. Listen. Carbon and carbon. Single bond between carbon and carbon. Means compound will be saturated. This compound is saturated. Right? Huh?
How, sir? Not
Other example. This compound is saturated or unsaturated? Saturated. Why saturated? Because single bond
Between
present between carbon and carbon. But double bond, triple bond present between carbon and nitrogen. Here mention only carbon and carbon. If carbon and carbon, if double bond, triple bond present between the carbon and carbon, means compound will be unsaturated. Okay, now? If between a carbon and carbon, single bond present between the carbon and carbon, compounds will be saturated. Here, double bond present between carbon and carbon. If double bond present between, if double bond present at least one carbon-carbon double bonds or triple bond. Double bond or triple bond. Okay. Now triple bond, carbon and carbon, double bond. At least one double bond should be present. Triple bond means more, right? Between carbon and carbon. Now, example, boys, between carbon and carbon, here not between carbon and carbon, right now? Here not present double bond between carbon and carbon. This double bond present between oxygen and carbon, carbon and nitrogen, right now? This compound is saturated. If double bond present between the carbon and carbon, carbon and carbon, compounds will be unsaturated. It's okay now? And if double bond present between carbon and carbon, that compound is known as olefinic bond. Okay, now? Olefinic bond. This is the unsaturated compound, but this double bond is known as olefinic bond. Okay, now? Carbon and carbon, double bond is present, means that bond is a special name. What? Olefinic bond. Okay, now? That bond name is a olefinic bond. And if listen, it's important. If double bond present carbon and carbon, compounds will be unsaturated. Right now, fixed. Compounds will be unsaturated. But this double bonds have name. One name. That name is what? Olefinic bond. Okay, now, if between carbon and carbon double bond is present, means olefinic bond. Carbon and carbon triple bond is present, means acetylenic bond. Acetylenic bond. Acetylenic bond. And this color is a yellow. Because of this double bond between carbon and carbon, olefinic bond due to olefinic bond, if in any compounds olefinic bond is present, in that compound is what? LOIL. This compound nature is what? LOIL. They give LOIL. This signs are mentioned all NCR. Not important, but remember this fact, na? Okay, follow this. Acetylenic bond. Now, keep the answer after that you can copy. Okay, now? How many total double bonds are present? Double bond, boys. Double bond. Double bonds only?
No, sir.
Two. Boys? One. Lila 1.5. 1.5.
Sir, total hours, sir.
Total double bond.
Total might not do, sir.
This is the DB means double bond, okay?
Total means good.
What? Question. What is the question? Divide karo na. Okay. So I can switch on. Now, now it's true na. Okay. Hey, this side on na. On yaar. Lila. On this side. Switch on this side. Now okay. Zoom. Okay. Now give the answer, boys. Total double bond. Double bond. Total double bond. 2. A. Total double bond. Total double bonds. 1 and 2. Right?
By ऐसा.
And total triple bond.
Two, sir.
Total triple bond. 1 and 2. Right? Now, olefinic bond. Now, one name is a specific. Olefinic bond. Olefinic bond means what? Between carbon and carbon. Bonds between carbon and carbon. How many olefinic bonds are present? 1. And acidic bond? 1.
Zero, sir.
Acidic bond?
1 sister water.
1, 2, right? 1, 2. 1, 2. Acidic bond between carbon and carbon. Between carbon and carbon. Means 1. Right? Now this is the olefinic bond. Sorry, acidic bond. This one is a olefinic bond. Okay. So you completed the slide. Complete fast. Aromatic compounds are benzoyl. Benzoyl compounds are carcinogen in nature. Benzoyl means what? Benzene like a structure, okay na?
Yes, sir.
Benzene like a structure. Here is not benzene like a structure, okay? If any compounds, this type of structure is present, benzene structure is present. We can represent like this now. This after rotating inside the benzene, this become oxygen, right now, and it produces oxygen, right? Right? It is the due to resonance now. This we can write. Due to resonance now. Due to resonance, the main circle inside the oxygen. This is not oxygen, okay? Due to resonance, we represent like this one benzene, right? Benzoyl structure. If this structure is present, means don't need that compounds or like Maggi or chick. If the Maggi masala is made from this compound, completely avoid. If any masala, any spices, any spice. If there is any compounds, is present of benzoyl compounds, we don't need. Okay, no? That is the carcinogen. What is the meaning of carcinogen? What is the meaning of carcinogen? No. Cancer causing, right? Cancer causing. Cancer causing. Carcinogen means cancer causing elements, for example. Okay. Classification of organic compounds. First, on a structural, right? On the basis of a structural, and again on the basis of functional group. What is functional group? Functional group, it is an atom or group that is responsible for the chemical properties of compounds. If from carbon chain OH group attached, we now it's become alcohol. If COOH group attached, means now it's become acid. Right now, CHO attached means aldehyde. C-double-bond-O attached means ketone. Right now, if NH2 attached means become amine. Right? Amine. NH2. Okay? Means completely compounds nature depends on functional group. Okay, completely. The main character of organic compound. Main character of organic compound is functional group. According to functional group, compounds nature will decide. Now, homologous groups. Second point, homologous groups. It is a series of compounds having same functional group. In a which two members are different by at least CH2. Okay. Homologous series having same functional group means functional group should be same. Okay now? And next homologous series is differ by CH2. Right? CH2 unit. Okay now? CH2 unit. CH2. This is the OH functional group, right? And here is a OH functional group. Here OH. Now single bond. There is a no any double bond, triple bonds right now. Single bond, no any double bond, triple bond, no any chain. Means functional group in all three having same. Now this first to second there is a differ by CH2 unit. Second to third there is a differ by CH2 unit. Now if I ask homologous series, second homologous series of the methanol is what? First is this one and second one is methanol. First homologous series of methanol is ethanol and the second homologous series of methanol is what? Propanol. Right? First homologous series of ethanol is propanol and second homologous series of ethanol is butanol, right? 4 carbons, butanol, right? Understood? Means the homologous series. All three are homologous to each other. Understood? Homologous series and functional group. Now, properties of homologous series. Read fast. Okay, now listen. Properties of homologous series. One day. Properties of homologous series. Two successive homologous series differ by CH2 unit. Okay, now? Or molecular weight 40 gram. 1 carbon 6 gram and 2 hydrogen 2 gram. Means 12 plus 2 14 gram, right? Means two successive homologous series differ by CH2 unit or molecular weight 40 gram. Second point, homologous series have similar chemical properties. Why similar chemical properties? Because functional group same. Due to same functional group, right? Third point, homologous series have different physical properties. Why? Because of molecular weight increase. And you know, melting point, boiling points depends on van der Waals force, and the van der Waals force directly proportional to the molecular weight. Right? Melting points, boiling points of compounds depends on van der Waals force. Right? Other force like hydrogen bond, if there is a hydrogen bond, but commonly we use van der Waals force. Right? Means if molecular weight increase, molar mass increase. Molecular weight increase means directly proportional to the van der Waals force. Melting point increase, boiling point increase. Right now, it's like physical nature also change. Solid to gas, gas to liquid. By increasing number of carbon, Like 2 carbon propane and butane we used in our home cylinder. Right now, LPG we use propane and mixture of propane and butane. After 6 carbon, it's converted into petrol. 6 to 8 carbon, 6 to 8, 9 to 12 carbon diesel, and after that 13 to 14 carbon kerosene, and 17 carbon that thick oil, crude oil. And by pyrolysis in organic compounds, I teach you. By pyrolysis, 17 to we convert into 2 to 3 carbon, 3 to 4 carbon. Okay, by pyrolysis method, breaking down the compound, breaking it. Okay, that's why in a oil factory, breaking machines. Naturally, gas are available in our earth. Naturally, due to the in our earth there is a more heat. Due to that heat, compounds get break and converted to gas. That is called natural gas. Okay, natural gas. And it's a crude oil. Crude oil present in earth layer, right? And by pyrolysis method, we convert into petrol, diesel, or aviation fuel, flight. Okay. All homologous species have same general formula. Functional groups have same general formula. Now, some homologous species. First, alkane. Alkane in single bonds. There is no any double bonds. Okay. Alkane compound. Saturated open chain. Alkane. Saturated. There is no double bonds between carbon and carbon, and open chain hydrocarbon. No cycle. Now, general formula of alkane. CnH2n plus 2. Remember this formula. By this formula, you can find all other formula. Okay. CnH2n plus 2. Now, N can be 1. N is what? Number of carbon. N represent here number of carbon. N represent here number of carbon. Okay. This N number of carbon. Okay. Number of carbon multiplied means we get the number of hydrogen plus 2 and CnH2n plus 2. Now N can be 1, 2, 3. First series of alkane is what? First member of alkane. First member of alkane is the first carbon, methane. Okay now. Second member of alkane is ethane. Third member propane. If you check, each increase by CH2. Okay now. You can check if there is CH2. Okay now. CH2 and now CH3, one hydrogen will now that hydrogen will attach. It's become C2 and C. Again, if you add CH2, means now it will become propane. Again CH2, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Up to this. Now, this is the trick to find the other general formula. Okay, if by alkane you can find all general formulas. Okay, by alkane you can find. If one pi bond is present, please remove 2 hydrogens. Okay, if one pi bond is present, remove 2 hydrogens. Means if one pi bond present, means CnH2n plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 get which one is CnH2, right? If one cycle, one ring is present, means minus 2 hydrogen. If one nitrogen is present, means add 1 hydrogen. Means nitrogen is present, means CnH2n plus 2 plus 1 n. Okay now? Plus 2 plus 1 n means plus 3 n. Right now? Plus 3 n. The nitrogen. If oxygen is present, means there is a no change. If oxygen is present, no change. Double bond present, remove 2 hydrogen. Cycle present, remove 2 hydrogen. Nitrogen present, add 1 hydrogen. Okay. By this thing, you can find next example. Next example. This side completed everyone, boys. Copy the Lila. Next homologous rings. Break. I will break. Okay. Go.